Good morning, guys. It's 8:30 in the morning here in Texas. I'm gonna show you the beautiful state flower in Texas. This is bluebonnet. This bluebonnet bloom during springtime. And every spring they bloom. Look at how beautiful they are. So beautiful. So this is in our backyard. You can see so many bluebonnets in the field all over the place in Texas, guys. So most of the time, this bluebonnet lasts for about 6 weeks most of the time. This is in our backyard. Yeah, they're beautiful. Sorry, guys. I have my feral cat always following me. So in the background. Say hi, Jack. Say hi in the camera. The one in the background. Hey, Jack. Be safe, everyone, and have a nice day. Bye.